Okay. So, now 10 minutes meditation for senior citizens, beginners, old age people. Okay. Please sit comfort, Vajrasan or Padmasan or Sukhasan, any asan. Depends on your capacity. So, I am sitting in Padmasan. You can sit in Sukhasan, no problem. Left hand down, right hand up, slightly touch your thumbs, sit erect. Sit erect is very important, gently close your eyes. Now, repeat the Om within mind. If you are getting unnecessary thoughts, virus thoughts, then repeat the Om within mind with vigorous movements like this. Within mind, Om, 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 like that. When your thoughts are controlled, now repeat the Om within mind with inhalation. In the same way, when you are exhaling, repeat the Om. If you are Hindu, please repeat the Om. If you are Muslim, please repeat your religion related sound. If you are Christian, repeat your related religion sound. When you are inhaling, repeat Om within mind. When you are exhaling, repeat the Om within mind. Please synchronize with your breath with your Om chanting. Continue for 1 minute. After exhalation, stop the breath few seconds in Bahya Kumbhaka. No need breath few seconds. After completion of your energy, again inhale with Om chanting. Again exhaling with Om chanting. Again stop the breath few seconds. Increase the gap period 1 or 2 seconds comparing previous gap. Round by round increase the gap time, that is Bahya Kumbhaka, breathless state of your body. In the gap, observe the heartbeat. Observe your relaxed and collapsed heartbeat. From birth to death, there is no rest for your heart. In the sleeping also, 5 liters blood pump with 72 strokes circulate to the all organs in your body. From birth to death, there is no rest, including sleeping also. But in the meditation, your heart is taking a deeper and deeper rest. Somebody is feeling 30 strokes per minute, somebody is feeling 20 strokes per minute, somebody is feeling 5 strokes per minute, somebody is feeling no strokes per minute. That means your heart is taking a deeper and deeper rest. In the gap only, please don't forget inhalation, exhalation, Om repetition. Please continue. In the gap only, observe your heartbeat. Observe the relaxed and collapsed heartbeat. Slowly and gently expand your silence from your heart region, spreading throughout your body. That means each and every part, tissue, cellular level silence. Observe the ocean of silence within physical body limits. Slowly and gently expand your silence beyond our physical body limits, spreading throughout your surrounding. Not only in physical body, your surroundings also silence. Expand, expand, expand your silence. Now your silence is a ocean. Just you imagine in the ocean, total water is steady. But in front of you, one smooth water wave coming forward. Coming forward, 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 forward. Slowly and gently merged into ocean. There is no smooth water wave. Total ocean is steady. This is the eighth wonder in the world. Now slowly and come into the mind. Your mind is ocean of silence, but a repetition of Om, soft wave. Gently, step by step, step by step, step by step, your Om repetition is merged into ocean of silence within your mind. Now this is the Ajapa state. No repetition of Om. No breath, no Om. This is a state of thoughtless mind. Man is equal to mind plus God. Bring the mind left side. Man minus mind is equal to God. Remove the mind from you. You are the God. You are in Samadhi state. No mind. Ocean of silence. This is the state of happiness, creativity, innovative, enjoyful, and blissful state of the mind. Enjoy with ocean of silence. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Now slowly and gently connect to the vast blue sky. Ocean is very small comparing vast blue sky. You are connecting to the vast blue sky. Expand, expand, expand your silence. You are joining, merging into vast blue sky. Expand, expand, expand your silence. Now you are the blue sky. You are the Paramatma. You have the unlimited powers. You are vast blue sky. Enjoy with infinite silence. Enjoy, 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 enjoy. Finally, bring your awareness on your body and surroundings. Resolve one positive thought 9 rounds with full of faith. My immunity power is very strong. So I am healthy, so happy. Repeat 9 rounds with full of faith. Gently stop the practice. Release your hands, rub your palms. Speed up, 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 speed up. Give a nice massage to your face muscles. Say 3 times Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And also neck muscles with few blinkings and gently open the eyes. Hari Om. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is the wonderful, beautiful Yogasana session for senior citizens, beginners, old age people, those who are suffering with chronic diseases. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.